In this video, we will discuss solenoid and plunger type electromagnetic attraction relay. In solenoid and plunger type relay, you can see the construction. There is an electromagnet consisting of a solenoid, or you can say coil of wire, which is wrapped around an iron core. So this is an iron core. Here the solenoid is a hollow solenoid where the plunger, so this is the plunger. The plunger can be moved upwards through this hollow solenoid. In order to activate the trip circuit, this plunger must be moved upwards to make contact with the trip circuit. You can see a spring which provides restraining force. What is restraining force? Restraining force is the force of a spring which is opposite of the operating force. Now when supply is given, current flows through the coil, therefore coil is energized and magnetic flux is produced. So when supply is given, magnetic flux is produced like this, and this magnetic flux flows through a closed path, right? Now what happens under normal condition and fault condition? Under normal operating condition, the value of operating current flowing through this coil is very low and magnetic field is generated in the electromagnet due to this low current. The strength of magnetic field generated, or magnetic force you can say, is proportional to the amount of current through the coil. So if the force is F, which is proportional to the square of the current flowing through the coil. So under normal operating condition, the current is normal. This means the current is less, then the operating force, or you can say magnetic force, will be less, since force is proportional to the square of the current. So this amount of force which is produced due to the less amount of current in the normal condition, this force is not strong enough to be greater than the restraining force of the spring. This means under normal condition, the restraining force is greater than operating force. Therefore, the restraining force of the spring keeps the plunger in such a position that it cannot make contact with the trip circuit. So the trip circuit will not be active under normal condition because plunger cannot move upward due to the less amount of magnetic force. Now fault condition, what happens? The value of current, this value I, is very high. If the current is very high, then the operating force will be very high, right? So this high amount of operating force attract the plunger upwards and the plunger make contact with this trip circuit. By this way, the solenoid and the plunger type relay works for opening the moving contact of a circuit breaker under fault condition, and the minimum amount of current at which the plunger gets attracted to close the trip circuit is called the pickup current.